What was the reaction like when it came out?
It was so embarrassing for me.
Really?
It was so embarrassing to watch. It was pretty cool though. I liked the movie. It was just like embarrassing seeing myself. And I remember my parents came to visit me in San Francisco. This was the first time they came to visit. This is the first and only time they came to visit me. And I really wanted them to meet George, so he invited us over to his place and he's like, "Okay, I'm going to show you the movie your daughter's in." And I was like, "Oh my god." So I'm sitting there with my parents, like, watching this movie with me, and there's, like, all these, like, cheesy-ass sex scenes, and, like, I'm just like, oh my god. I'm just, like, in my chair, like, sinking. It was so embarrassing. We were sitting in his room with the lights out, and I was just oh my god. It was so, and my parents were like, wow, Lindsay, and they're just like, you're a great actress. I was like, shut up, you're just saying that because you're my parents. It was so embarrassing, and I kept laughing because that was the only, like, thing I could do.
Yeah.
And George was like, why do you keep laughing? Why do you keep laughing? And I was like, what the hell do you expect? I'm, like, laying on a bed being like, oh my god, like I'm kinky or something like that. It's, like, super embarrassing. But yeah, no, it was a great experience working with George, for sure. It was life-changing, for sure.